Hey guys, welcome back to another reaction with me and Kemari Reactions. I really do appreciate you guys for coming back. Thank you guys so much. So I'll be doing another reaction video to the group CNCO, and basically this is about the group talking about their favorite sneakers and from expensive to most underrated sneakers. I think this is with GQ magazine, so let's just see what these guys gonna be giving us. I can't wait to see what T.O.F.T.S gonna be saying.
I'm Eric. I'm Christopher.
I'm Joel.
I'm Sabdiel.
And we are
CNCO.
And today we're going to be going over our shoes and determining who has the best kicks.
I'm not a sneaker person. I'm not even a clothes person. My closet's completely empty. I buy as I go and throw out.
These are Jordan.
What is that?
I got them in LA. Yeah, they were like 2K, something like that. I think they.
What? Is that real silver?
I think we had like an award in Puerto Rico, and I bought it before that, and I was gonna wear it there.
$2,000 for what? The
it shines
silver?
in the sun. Right now you can't see it on here, but right now like you can see it on the sun and stuff like that. So it's super cool.
This is the Louis Vuitton trainer.
Ooh.
I just was shopping and I see them. I was like, wait, that's cool. And I just buy them. Yeah, I usually use with white outfits. And I like them.
This Ralph Simmons cost kind of like 600. It was a gift from a video. This part is like black, the black part, and this part is metallic. I love it because like every time I use it, everybody like look at them.
Rarest, well, these shoes are called the Union Air Jordan 1. So I really like this shoe because it has like different colors, you know. You can kind of wear it with anything streetwear. I like the shoelaces. It goes like from black to tan, and then it has like this little stitch detail that's like blue. Oh, I left this here because I like it. I've walked around the street sometimes and people were like, what? No way you have those. And I was like, what? Because I was confused because at first they were like selling normally, but now I know they're over 1K. I don't know. I think it's a really cool shoe. It's pretty unique.
Yo, me. I have the reddest shoes. These are the Valentino Undercover Silver Climber. Remember, I got them from workshop. Last time I wore this was when we were traveling to LA, I think, because they're comfortable too. This 700, 800.
I like that detail on the back. That's really
I
nice.
won't be surprised because I do spend money in like boots. If I would buy me a nice pair of boots or something, I would spend that much
I haven't worn
money.
them yet,
But
because I got it right before everything started, like the whole Corona thing. These are fresh because you know the corduroys as well, and it has like
Converse. I
fire on the
like
side.
Converse.
It has,
I like
these
I would like
colors
those. All the other sneakers so
it
far,
looks
not so
crazy.
much.
It also shines
So
with,
far,
like,
I am
sun
on the
hits. I like the black, you know, the black sole.
I would get
It's
something
cool,
like
man. It's
that.
a little vibe. As soon as all this is over, man, I think I'm gonna put them on and I'm just gonna like jump outside.
Most expensive.
So this shoe costs like about $1,200, I believe. This one is Versace. I wore them actually for the video of Desero, and these were so comfortable because I had like a sprained ankle.
I don't understand
these kinda,
$12 for.
like, help me,
I
you know,
personally
stay up
think it's
and, like, kinda keep
ugly.
a balance. It has like a wide sole.
Because I do understand, like, some of these big name brands, you know, they're big name brands, household name, but some of the stuff that they create or make,
it's kind of like,
you know, for
fur,
people
so
to buy
it feels
who
nice,
can afford it, I'm like,
and I like the plastic.
I rather wear plastic bags.
Kind of gives it like a vibe.
To each his own, that's their money, not mine.
Underrated.
So these are Alexander McQueen's oversized runner. My underrated shoes. I think they're fire, but I don't think that people kind of like them because they look like marshmallows. To be honest, on your feet they look like marshmallows because they're really like kind of big.
So basically, everyone is selling sneakers
really
just their own different design and take of it
show.
and slap their name on there, and because of their high-end brand name, who's gonna buy it? Got it.
We had to perform.
Okay, Alexander McQueen. I think he passed away. May he rest in
They actually
peace.
look fresh, bro.
Yeah, they're fire. I like them.
Yeah. They look like
Ah,
marshmallows.
so they
They
look
look
so
like
good.
I think
Oh, Richard and Eric must be in the same
underrated.
area.
These are Converse. These are my favorite shoes ever, man.
Oh, he
I feel
loving
like
some
they're so
Converse. This is the
comfortable.
second
I wore
one.
these to dance once for an award. It was super comfortable.
I do
never
like
done
me some
these
Converse.
before.
I was
like
a
my Converse
Converse
dirty, by
kid.
the way. I don't like to clean my Converse.
Valentino. I think it's underrated. Not everybody like this style. I love it, and I wear it for like almost everything. You can tell it's like a little dirty. The material
You can wear for
pretty
everything
cool
because they have
because
enough.
this
You
part
have
here,
neutral
it's like a
colors.
sock,
You know, you
and
can go with
it's
any
so
dark color or
comfortable
light
inside.
colors.
Like you think you're in a
It's
cloud.
good.
And
So
Okay.
they kind of sell this like separately too, and you can change the colors.
Yeah. Last time I wear, I think it was when we used to like fly. I think it was from my flight from LA. Really, really important to be comfortable on the plane.
Well, yes, very comfortable.
I'm gonna start with the sexiest one, of course. Look how they come in. Look, they come in sexy.
So cute.
Look at that. Look at that. Was good. Boom. Look at this, babies, right here. I think they look like astronaut shoes. I don't know what brand are they,
give you
to
good-
be honest. They're BB. And I don't use them that much because they're so like they're so sexy that it's just if I wear them it's like too sexy going around. No, it's too much.
He's so cute.
and if these two, they're Louboutins, and I think they're pretty sexy. And this, I have a really cool story because these are the ones that the
I can go
guys
past.
gave it to me
That I can go
as
past.
my gift in my birthday.
That's look like an Air Force, but okay.
Those are definitely.
Put the astronauts away.
Dale, Santiel, dale.
These ones are the D Square 2 chunky sneakers. Right now they're kind of dirty, but in their moment, but they're still sexy. I love them because they make me very tall, and I don't know the details that they have, like yellow here, red.
Oh, those shoes are ugly, but you still look
It's a
good.
compliment, but every time I see Sabdia wearing these shoes, it gives me like Transformers vibes, you know?
Yeah, I love
Transformers,
them. It's one of my favorite
Transformers
shoes.
in the skies.
I do have
Oh, such a tease.
contender. They're sexy because they're just all black. You know what I'm saying?
We have to see them.
Yo, these are pretty freaking fly, yo. These are the brothers of Richards, the one that he had for the.
Oh, it's the same. Oh, okay. Yeah, the same model.
But you know, black is always a color.
Yo, hold on. These are the sexiest. These are the one that will win the battle of all time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Damn.
Yes.
They look sexy.
These are Balmain. I've been having
I
these
want
for
it.
a little bit.
Oh, I
feel
want
like
it.
they're my favorite dress-up shoes of all time.
Even though it's very
I wore these
simple,
actually in
you know,
Puerto
something a
Rico
fifth grader
for
could
an
do to
after
get
party,
nice
something
shoes
like that.
and
I could wear
sprinkle
these
some
anytime.
diamond
They're one of my
thing on there.
favorite shoes that I
But
have.
oh,
These are ugly, but these are still cool. So
Yes, those are very ugly.
Besides
what they
themselves.
think.
oh, oh my God! Take it away! Take it away! Take it away! Take
These
it away!
ones are Ralph Simmons.
Ew! Burn it!
Color socks. You know?
Exactly.
Yeah.
exactly.
Burn
I
it!
think people
Burn
think that these
it!
shoes are ugly, but I think they are super cool. Because like Richard said, you can wear different
No,
socks to get
no,
different
no.
vibes. They
See,
are
I need to have
comfortable.
their type of money so I can see that. That is
Ooh la la.
ugly.
Ooh.
I think mine is ugly to the eye of other people, but I think they're really sick for me. These are the Martine Rose Nikes. Yeah, I feel like people wouldn't like them because of this. They might think they're like stepped on for a while or something, and it kind of got like messed up. But I
Ew!
like
What
them
kind of
personally.
alien
The
shoes
color
is
the
that?
same.
Yeah, the color.
Love the color. Yes, I do. I love the pink.
The Pink Panther. Pink.
Last time I wore these was about a year ago for the billboards. I always thought they were sick since from the beginning. I was like, whoa, they're so different and the color's super cool. Kind of like big shoes. See inside, it's like if it's a normal shoe. It's just I think this is just like filled in, you know? Like if it's just a bump and it's filled in.
No,
with,
ew!
rubber.
Ugh, my neck.
But it's pretty comfortable and it gives you like an inch. Some people that are not as open to like changing up their styles, they might think it's ugly. But some people see them in different perspectives.
You know what? That is
We all have
true.
different
Sometimes you could take something that's
Alright, so
trash
that was all
looking
from
and make
us.
it unique
CNCO,
and fashion
we had so much fun
forward.
doing this.
You
Hope guys
know.
enjoyed it.
That's how you
Please stay
become
home,
fashion
take care of
icon and
yourselves,
fashion
don't forget to
trends.
listen.
So basically, as you guys can see, that was my reaction to CNCO showing off their favorite sneakers from most expensive to the most underrated and ugly. Ugh, that was ugly. So I really do like that. I really do like that. Like I said over and over again, I need to have that level of money so I too can have those ugly shoes and call it looks cute. But that's just me. I do like some of their shoes. Some of them I don't really care for. Even if I have the $1 billion in the world, please, I will still go to Walmart and buy my shoes. Oops, take it back. I will still go to Walmart and buy something. Just not, I won't buy my shoes from Walmart. No, I will spend money on my shoes. Clothes, I'll go to Walmart and buy that because I wear clothes today and I throw it off tomorrow. I buy as I go. I really don't have shit in my closet. I literally buy my prom. I literally bought my prom clothes just to wear to prom. I won best male dress of the prom, obviously, because everybody else was so basic. I went there with cream and lavender. I rented my tux, actually. My tux for the whole night was, I think it cost me like $500 to rent. Then we got a Hummer limousine, which was like $1,300. It was like $50 per person, and we gave the driver like a $250 tip. My college graduation from my first college, I buy that clothes just to wear for that day. Where's that clothes now? I don't know. I buy as I go. I really don't have clothes. I really don't. But I was CNCO, so thanks to the ones who recommend me to react to this group. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, we can do you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.